Imagine a dash cam that doesn't just record your drives, but keeps watch over your car for up to 2 weeks without ever tapping into your vehicle's battery. Meet the Baseus PrimeTrip VD1 Pro, the world's first solar-powered dash cam with true long-term parking protection. This isn't just another gadget for your windshield. It's a dual-camera system engineered for drivers who want high-definition recording, smart surveillance, and hassle-free installation. And yes, it brings a feature that most dash cams simply can't match. The PrimeTrip VD1 Pro is powered by the Solar Sync System 2.0. A built-in solar panel works in harmony with a 380 mAh lithium battery, delivering up to 14 days of parking monitoring without hardwiring. That means no draining your car battery, no complex wiring kits, and no compromises. In parking mode, a G-sensor instantly detects impacts or collisions, automatically waking the camera to record 30-second clips from both the front and rear lenses, capturing evidence exactly when you need it most. On the road, video quality is where the VD1 Pro truly shines. The front camera records in 4K resolution using Sony's IMX335 Starvis sensor, renowned for its sharp detail and low light clarity. With a 170-degree field of view, HDR imaging, and enhanced night vision, license plates and road signs remain crystal clear, day or night. The rear unit complements this with 1080p recording and a 120-degree wide-angle lens, ensuring full coverage from every angle. But the innovation doesn't stop at video. The VD1 Pro is equipped with real-time GPS tracking, hands-free voice control, and comes preloaded with a 32GB microSD card. A crisp built-in display lets you view footage directly, while the companion app, powered by Wi-Fi 6, makes downloading clips, adjusting settings, and updating firmware faster than ever before. It's not just a camera, it's a connected system designed to keep you in control. The Baseus PrimeTrip VD1 Pro is now available for $169.99 on Amazon, positioning itself as one of the most advanced dash cams in its class. With solar-powered independence, premium recording quality, and smart features designed for modern drivers, it's more than just a witness on the road. It's your car's 24/7 guardian. So whether you're navigating city streets, cruising highways, or leaving your car parked for days, the PrimeTrip VD1 Pro ensures you always have proof, clarity, and peace of mind. Baseus PrimeTrip VD1 Pro, innovation that keeps watch. If you want to grab one for yourself, just tap the product link right here. It's the easiest way to check the latest price, and it helps support the channel too.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.